What's up, guys, and welcome to Quadratic Equations Practice Problems Level Hard. All right, let's do it. So it says, which of the following quadratic equations has solutions x 4a and negative 5b? Okay, so it's important to know when we're trying to come up with, we're just essentially reverse engineering a quadratic equation from the solutions. So remember, whenever we factor something, right, we factor it into things like this. We're setting it equal to 0. The solutions are whatever make each individual, essentially parenthesis statement, go to 0. So in this case, if 4a is going to send one of these to 0, that means that this has to be x minus 4a, right? Because then if we plugged in 4a, we'd get 4a minus 4a, and that'd be 0. This one instead would be x plus 5b, right? So we've got, because if we had negative 5b in here, it would combine to give us 0. So we've already constructed our quadratic equation. This is it. But notice that these are not in the same format. They've multiplied them out. So we got to do the same thing. So let's go ahead and use FOIL. So we've got x times x. We get x squared. And then we've got x all the way here times 5b. So plus 5bx. Then we've got minus 4ax. And then what is the last part? Minus 20ab. Okay? So of course these are all equal to 0, has to be. So now we've got this nice equation. We're almost there because look, in all these middle answers, what have they done? They've factored x out. So let's do the same thing. Let's factor x out. So we've got x squared plus x times 5b minus 4a, right? It's the same thing. I just pulled this x and this x out, minus 20ab. So now let's see which one of the answer choices matches ours, and it looks like D, I believe. D, we've got the minus 20ab, we've got the plus x, 5b minus 4a. D is our final answer. Circle it there, and done.